How to make a PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. Once you're here, you can view all your notes on this page. Select the note that you want to turn into a PDF. After opening it, in the top right corner of the screen, locate and tap the Share icon. Here, scroll down through the list of actions and tap on the Markup option. You will be taken to a Print option screen showing a small preview of your document at the bottom. Now, tap on the note name. A drop-down menu will appear. Tap on the name again, which is in a PDF document format. Now you can choose to save to files to save in a folder you wish. After that, open up the Files app. To check whether your document is saved in PDF or not, navigate to the folder location and tap on it to open. Following these steps, you can easily make a PDF on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.